Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog and not welcome back to my motivation vlog. So, have you ever felt really tired? Tired of studying, tired of working, or tired of chasing something that just never seems to end? If yes, then let me tell you this. That's okay. You're human, not a machine. It's okay to be tired, but don't stop, not yet. Sometimes when we are exhausted, it starts to feel like our effort is useless. But maybe their results just are not visible yet. Think of it like planting a seed. You water, you water it every day, but you still don't see it grow. That doesn't mean it's dead. Maybe it's just growing roots beneath the surface, getting stronger before it blooms. That's exactly what is happening with you. Your effort is not wasted. Even if you cannot see it now, progress is being made slowly but surely. So, if you're tired, take a break, give yourself a moment to breathe. Go for a walk, listen to music, or listen to Quran, or just do nothing for a while. Resting doesn't mean giving up. It means you're recharging for what's next. What matters is that you don't stop forever, because every time you get back up after being tired, you're not starting from zero. You're starting with experience. And that's what makes you stronger. So, if you today feels heavy, it's fine. Take a deep breath. But don't stop, guys. Your journey is not over yet. And you have already come this far. Why give up now? Remember, a rest is not the same as quitting. You can go slow, you can pause, but don't give up. Keep moving forward. Even if it's just one small step today, because that one step still brings you closer than yesterday. So, maybe only this my little motivation for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next my vlog. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.